The printing industry has undergone major changes. Although the printing process has become increasingly automated, some tasks still have to be carried out by hand. Producing high-quality printing means being meticulous at every single step of the way. The wipe cleaning of production tools is a crucial part of the process. The following sequences present the various phases of the printing process and show how wipers are a sensitive part of it. The newer system does away with the film stage, and plates are produced directly from improved image setting systems. The computer and scanner have taken the place of the traditional repro camera. The digital files are scanned, processed, viewed and corrected on the computer. Computers, scanners, printers and copy machines are all used in the process. The cleaning tasks mainly involve removing dust, glue and finger marks from the glass plates. The best product for this use is Tork Advanced Wiper 420 because of its rapid absorption and high wet strength. The offset process is the most common printing method. Almost every commercial printer does it. Though the process is standard, the quality of the final product is due to the guidance, expertise and equipment provided by the printer. Offset printing works on a very simple principle. Ink and water don't mix. Images, words and pictures are put on plates, which are dampened first by water, then ink. The ink adheres to the image area, the water to the non-image area. Then the image is transferred to a rubber blanket, and from a rubber blanket to paper. That's why the process is called offset. The image does not go directly to the paper from the plate, as it does in some other forms of printing. This is a Heidelberg GTO, a one-colour machine. This means that only one colour can be used at a time. Before adding a new colour, it's absolutely crucial to remove all traces of the colour previously used. This process may be carried out several times during a day. The printer needs a wiper that can work with solvent and remove the ink. It has to absorb as much solvent as possible and then release it onto the rolls and cylinders. The dissolved ink then needs to be absorbed without leaving behind any dust or lint. He then empties the wash tray and cleans it. He then cleans the plate cylinder, the blanket cylinder and the impression cylinder. In this process, it's very important to remove all traces of ink and leave absolutely no lint or dust. The consequence of poor cleaning is that the dust leaves marks on the print, and he has to reprint everything. We recommend Tork Premium Multi-Purpose Cloth 530 and 510. These Tork wipers are strong, absorbent, linting, and they'll leave the machine clean and ready for the new colour. On a 4-colour machine, all the colours are in the one machine, so there's no need for colour changes. Each colour requires a separate plate, and if colour photographs are required, this is done with a process of using 4 primary colours: yellow, magenta, cyan and black. The machine may only be cleaned once a week and will normally have a self-cleaning system that uses brushes. Paper dust will need to be cleaned away daily using a water-based system. The bindery is where the printed product is completed. The stacked sheets of now printed paper are cut and put together so that the pages fall in the correct order. The most sensitive part of this machine is the blade, and it's important to regularly clean away any ink, glue or dust. Pages are all sewn together by staples or glue in this step of the process. In the case of books and magazines, the folded printed paper, called press signatures, is collated into the correct order, and then a machine called a stitcher stitches or staples them together. The final component of the process is done with a blade which trims the paper to the final delivered size. The product is then ready to be delivered to the end destination. Here, it is normally only necessary to regularly remove dust by using a water-based cleaning system. Either Tork Advanced Wiper 420 or Tork Premium Multi-Purpose Cloth 510 is recommended for this. Having Tork wipers close at hand is made easy thanks to our well thought out dispenser. You can place Tork wipers on the wall by using our robust dispensers that are easily wall mounted. Then simply insert your chosen refill and pull out the wiper to proceed with your wiping or cleaning act. The plotter is really a large ink printer, but requires minimum maintenance. The cartridges and the slide tray need to be kept free of dust and ink. We recommend Tork Premium Multi-Purpose Cloth 510 for this purpose. And of course, hand hygiene. Our hands are our best tools, but when they are not properly washed, they can be our worst. We should always wet our hands to soften before applying the soap. We should apply the soap and wash our hands without forgetting the thumbs. We should then rinse with water. We should never forget to dry our hands to fully complete the hand washing process. Our hands are now clean and fresh. In this example, we advised the worker to use Tork Advanced Wiper Center Feed Roll 420.